Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making that sweets topping that is incomplete without it, and you can't get the flavor of that sweet. And you go especially outside to buy this just to get the flavor of this topping. What do you think that is? Well, you may be right. It's Falooda milk. And I love the taste of this, and it's absolutely amazing. And you guys, I don't know if you like Falooda or not, but I'm sure you like this Falooda milk. For this recipe, we are going to be needing 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch, and 3 tablespoons of water. So let's get started. First step to making this Falooda milk is preparing the milk. Okay, for this, I'm going to first put in our cream into this. Okay, and our sugar. And I'm just going to whisk this until it is well combined. Okay, I'm going to turn the stove on back here. I'm just gonna let that cook. Well, I'm just going to first. And I'm just going to put this into the bowl. And yeah, and while that's coming to a boil, I'm going to be mixing the corn flour and water together. Add the water into it. Going to mix this. It's important that you whisk this while it's on the stove, and I'm just going to do this until the milk comes to a boil. Now that this has come to a boil, I'm going to add in our corn flour and water slurry and whisk this. Now that this is coming to a boil, that means it's ready. I'm just mixing this well. That's one thing you have to remember while making this. And this is ready to set aside to cool off. Off the stove, it's ready to transfer to my bowl. I'm just gonna put this in. Okay. And for usage, you have to completely chill this in the refrigerator if you want to. And you do not want it hot at all. And that's it, guys. That's the Falooda milk, and it smelled so good. You can smell the sweetness. It's so good. If you guys like this recipe, please tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. We are going to be assembling our Falooda, and this is the most exciting part. Okay, over here I have our homemade Peshawari ice cream. I'm just going to take the
link will be in the comments down below
for the recipe.
Da-da-da-da.
There you have it. There. I'm just going to take the thing off. Okay, so there's your Peshawari ice cream. I have homemade Falooda noodles here. I'll also put the link in the description below for the recipe. And homemade Falooda milk, and I'll also put the link in the description below for this. So this is 100% homemade, natural, organic, straight from home. You know, stay safe from coronavirus. Okay, I have a tumbler here in which we're going to be putting our Falooda together. Okay, I'm going to take a scoop of ice cream. Whoa.
Oh my god, Liva, that's so good.
Okay, if it would come out, that would be nice. Okay, there. I'm going to take our Falooda Sevenya. Just top up. Okay, and last but not least, our Falooda milk. The thing that gives it the best taste. Okay, why not? And I'm going to add in 1 more scoop of ice cream, because you know, it's the best. Top it up.
It's like the ones that you see when you
And
go to
there
the
you
restaurant.
have it. Your homemade Falooda. Looks amazing.
Just gonna try this.
Whoa, looks so good.
Dig deep in.
Classic Falooda.
Pure
So
goodness.
good. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this. And while I do, you guys can turn the bell icon on and subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.